Hey everyone, I want to make a quick tutorial on how to invite someone to the Walnut List as well as how to connect with someone. So when you initially sign up, you'll be taken to My Practice and you'll fill out all your practice information, your availability, your clientele, and after you finish that, you'll be redirected here to My Referral Network, which is your main dashboard. The sending and receiving are these two tabs up here. Sending is people I send referrals to, and receiving, these are people I get referrals from. Now, initially, you won't have any connections when you first sign up. So the quickest way to do that is to go up here to the Connect bar and say you want to invite someone. You click this tab and you can fill out their name, email, and send a little message. I'd love to send referrals to you. I'd love to get referrals from you. And you can send that message to your person that you want to invite. Now, they'll get an email. If they sign up, you'll actually get a notification that they signed up in order for you to connect with them. And both of you get $5 credits towards your next bill. So that's how you invite someone. To connect with someone that's already on, you can type in a city or a specialty, a lot of different options here, and it'll pull up people based off of proximity to you. So Bea Blakely, let's say I want to connect with her, I can either go over to these two dots, or three dots, and either recommend her, ask for recommendation, or request a meet and greet. Those are quick options there. I can also pull up her card and actually have more information to gather from. So I can see what other people are saying. I can go to her details page and see when she's available, where she's located, all these other specializations, her bio, and read more information about her. Now, I can either connect with her by, say I'm really familiar with her, I can click that. I've known her since 2010 maybe. These issues here are the issues that she says she specializes in. Now you can add an issue, and I'll show you a little bit of why you can do that, but you can do that as well as you can write a quick testimonial about how she works. Say you really respect the way that she works with animal-assisted therapy, you can write something like that and send for approval here. Now, when you send for approval, it'll actually be sent as a request to Bea to approve. And the reason for that is because if we added issues here, she wants to be able to confirm that it's okay that she is having an issue added to her. Maybe she doesn't work with the issues that you've added, and we're giving her the ability to approve your recommendation. We can also ask for a recommendation over here. This is not the same thing. So recommend and ask for recommendation, it's a two-way street between the two therapists. So say you want to ask her, she then will recommend you, and then you have to approve it. It is a back and forth that makes it more equitable and also allows you to both recommend each other for their own unique skills. Meet and greet, this is for someone that you don't know. And it's basically a networking tool where you can say, I've heard about you, I really like that you work with, say, sexual abuse, and I don't have anyone that I'm connected with. You can make a kind of a gesture to carry on the conversation via email, phone call, coffee. That's up to you, but that's a way to get connected with more therapists in your community, and you can send that contact. Now, going back here, you could either do that in this bar, or once you've built up a few referrals, we have a request here. So kind of like I just showed you, John Smith is asking to be on my referral list, so he wants me to send people to him. And that's great. Maybe I know John from school, I can click on his card, right? I can see more information. He wrote a little note here, hey, I noticed you're full, could you send clients my way? That's great. I'll go down here, maybe write a little testimonial for him, and send for approval, and then he gets to approve that. So that's how you deal with requests. Now, Discover, these are all people that are 1 degree separated. So we've already seen that Bea knows Jessica Jones, who's over here in my list already. Now, there's a bunch of other people here that know other people. Frederick Filson, it looks like Ursula knows Carrie. And so these are all people that I might know of, or at least I can trust, I trust Linnea, I can trust Tony in the ways that Linnea is vouching for him, and it kind of creates a more seamless way of connecting and building your network, right? Now, this is for the sending. The only difference between the sending and receiving is on the Discover side is these are available therapists. So say that I'm full, I'm not taking any clients, right? So I'm not taking clients. I'm going to want to look at these people right here to send my overflow to. But for the receiving side, your Discover feed is full therapists that you're wanting to connect with to get their overflow. And this way, it's kind of a back and forth, and you can easily see kind of who's wanting referrals and who's not. That's essentially how the connections work. Feel free to email us and ask any questions. And thank you for being a part of the team and part of the family at the Walnut List.